Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Teacher Neo. In today's video, we're going to go for a walk. Let's go. First thing, it's hot. So I'm gonna put my hair up into a ponytail. So I'm brushing my hair, and I'm brushing it back and brushing it up high. I've already been sweating, so my hair is a little wet underneath. It feels so much better on the back of my neck though, to have the hair off of my neck. Okay, now I'm going to get my hair tie. I have my hairband, hair tie, whatever you call it. And I'm going to wrap it around my hair. Just like this, and I'm actually pulling it up like this. That way it does not rub on my neck because of how hot it is. Okay, now I need to put my sandals on. So I'm slipping my sandal onto my left foot, and I am going to connect the strap. It has Velcro on it, and that's how it stays put. And now my right foot, slip the sandal onto my right foot and fix the strap. That way it stays on just perfect. And before I leave, I'm going to drink some of my water because I don't need to carry it with me. I drank some water, and now I am ready to go for my walk. Oh wait, I need my phone. Here's my phone. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm going to open the screen door, push the door open, and then I'm going to close the big door here. It is closed and latched. And then the screen door, I'm gonna slam it shut. It just slammed shut. But I need to make sure it is all the way shut. There we go. Okay, let's go for a walk. As you can see, there are some chickens in the yard. Pretty flowers, yellow flowers. And this is Duba. Hi, Duba. How are you? Duba likes to come and say hello. Duba is a Chihuahua. And look at this tree. These trees are so pretty. They have the white flowers on them. And here are some red flowers and purple flowers. And then some more red ones. Okay. Let's head on out of the gate. I'm going through the gate. And let's see, which way do I want to go? This way, if you can see the clouds, it's kind of dark over there. It's going to possibly rain. Do you see the clouds? The sun is kind of peeking out. All right, so we're gonna go to the right here. We're gonna walk down this way. It is really kind of nice outside. It's a nice day to go for a walk. You can see that the leaves on the trees are kind of moving. That means that there is a breeze. That is the wind. It's kind of a low wind, so we call it a breeze, and it's a nice breeze. It makes it not be so hot, so it kind of cools you down a little bit. Kind of like having a fan if it's hot and you have a fan, but this is just a natural fan having a breeze. So I am walking down a dirt road and you can see palm trees. I love looking at the palm trees. They're so beautiful. And we're gonna just keep walking down this dirt road, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep walking, and then I'm gonna show you some things along the way. So this tree right here is a mango tree. I don't see any mangoes on it right now. So mango season is not happening right at this moment. But down here, it occurs about twice a year at least. And the mangoes are very delicious. How many of you like mangoes? Let me know in the comments. Do you like mangoes? I love mangoes. Here's a sight you don't see all the time. There is a donkey. The donkey is out there eating the grass. He is tied up, so he cannot go very far. A donkey. And here are some coconuts that fell onto the ground from the coconut tree. It's old, but the donkey is walking around. Look, I wonder where he's going to walk to. Oh, right there. But yeah, you can see some shells of coconuts over here. Okay, let's keep walking. It has rained, so you can see up ahead some water in the road. So usually we will call it kind of like a puddle of water. When the water gets on the dirt and the water and the dirt mixes, it is called mud. And so when we were kids, we would make mud pies. We would not actually eat them. And we would just take the mud and shape it into a pie or cookie or something and pretend that they were a pie or a cookie. All right, here we have a mango tree that actually has mangoes on them. So there they are. See the mangoes? We will continue walking, and I'm going to turn right. Before I turn right, let's look left. Look at the sky up there. There are mountains over there, but it looks like it might be raining over the mountains right now. It's very dark. Okay, we're gonna go right. Do you hear the birds? The birds are just chirping away. They are happy. I think it's a great day to be happy. What about you? How is it? What's the weather like in your area right now? Let me know in the comments, because here it's kind of cloudy, but the sun peeks out a little bit as well. And off in the distance, it looks like it's raining. So there's a little bit of everything here. So, but okay, I don't know if you can tell, but the sun is beating right now, meaning that the sun is out. If you look up, you can kind of see that's the sun a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's very bright. Very bright. Okay, I want to show you this flower right here. Oh, do you hear the thunder? Oh, it might be raining soon. So this flower is hibiscus. They're very pretty. I think I'm gonna walk down to the corner down here, but since the thunder and since it's raining off in the distance, I might want to turn around and go back. But first, let's go over here. We're gonna go into the shade right here. I'm gonna stand right here in the shade. It's nice here. And again, here's another mango tree. So, but let's look at this view. Isn't it pretty? It is very pretty. So I really think it might be raining soon. I don't know. We'll see. All right. So let's walk down here. And look, there's a couple of cows. I hear the thunder again. Do you hear the thunder? There's a cow. There's another one right over here. And let's go over here. There's one right here. They are eating the grass. So this is a white cow. Hello, white cow. It has big ears. Okay. We are walking beside a building here. Walking beside a building. And we're walking down the road. I did have someone ask, why do you say walking down a road and not up a road? It's a saying that we say in American English, and we say we're gonna walk down the road. It's just something that we say, whether we're going up a hill or down a hill. We would say we're gonna walk up the hill, but we always say we're gonna walk down the road. We never say we're gonna walk up the road. So it might be time to turn around. So, okay, I'm going to turn around because if you look, you can see the sky. Look, it's getting even darker. So I'm gonna go back towards the house because I think it's going to rain soon. And I don't want to get the camera wet. I did not bring an umbrella. Really, I did not know if it would rain or not. But those clouds are coming awfully fast. So let me know what type of weather you get in your area. Here, where we are in Mexico at the moment, it is always hot. We live on the coast, meaning that we live near the beach and the ocean. So I will have to make another video sometime in the future down on the beach again. But we don't have access to the beach because it rained a lot, and so you have to wade through water to get to the beach. So that might be something in a few months that I will do. The thunder continues, and it really does look like that rain is getting closer. So the birds are definitely chirping. Maybe the birds are excited for the rain. What do you think? Okay, so I don't know how quickly that rain will get here. I'm kind of excited because I do like rain. And the sun is beating down right now. It's so hot, very hot. So the rain will definitely cool it down. We're gonna go ahead and continue on this road so that I can watch the clouds come in instead of turning back where I came from. So let's go ahead and see what we find down this way. We're walking by a bush. It's kind of like a hedge bush, and it does produce flowers. Pretty. We're gonna keep walking down the road. You would also say walking down the path as well. But it's not wrong to say walking up the road or walking up the path. It's just majority of us usually say we walk down the road. So over here there is a pickup, a small pickup. It's green. I'm going to go to the other side of the road. That way somebody's coming. There's someone coming on a motorcycle. A bird just flew by. Oh, it is very hot. Up here there's a sign that says tope. In Spanish, that is reductor tope. In English, we call it a speed bump. A speed bump. You can hardly see this speed bump right here, but there is one, and it's a bump to keep you from speeding. That's why we call it a speed bump. Look right here, there's a horse. It's a brown horse, and there's a baby that's a foal. A foal. Aren't they pretty? Aww. Very pretty. What kind of animals do you like? Aw, look at it. So cute. I love cats and I love horses. That thunder, I don't know. Is it going to rain? I have no idea. Let's look at the clouds here. Maybe it's just tricking me. Tricking me means that it acts like it's gonna do something, but it's not going to. All right, let's look at the plants over here. Wow, look at that. That is pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, here's a snake. Do you see the snake? It's a pretty snake. Do you see it right here? That is a pretty snake. I don't know what kind of snake it is. Does anybody know? Oh, it's slithering away because I moved. But look at the beautiful plants right here. Wow. Pretty neat. You see all kinds of things when you go for a walk. Neat. So back to animals. Anybody like snakes? That one was a pretty snake. So, okay, we're almost back to the destination, but look at this huge tree. That's a very big tree, and we would say huge or gigantic tree. Very pretty. And we're getting to the end Let's see. Here's some plants right here. Look at that. That's big. Wow. Very cool. Okay, looking both ways. Nothing's coming. You can hear the thunder. You can see the storm clouds. Hopefully it comes this way because I would like some rain. But you can see it's really sunny right now. All right, I am just about to my front door, and that was a lovely walk. So thank you for going on this walk with me. I hope you learned some vocabulary words or you enjoyed the scenery. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this walk. I know that people love nature videos and walks and everything. So also, if you're new to the channel, or if you've been watching the channel for a while and you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Click the bell so that you'll get a notification for when my next video comes on. And I look forward to seeing you all in the comments and in the next video. So I will see you then. Bye.